warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Achmad Sukamdani. My name is 135X74003. Major in Electrical Engineering A 2013, State University of Surabaya. In here, I will present a series of counter-up with 2 7 segments. Before we analyze the first series, I explain about the basic theory of the circuit 7 segment. 7 segment. 7 segment is a segment that is used to display numbers. Here I used to 7 segment type counter numbers up to we saw in the number 00 to number 99. 7 segment is composed of 7 rounds are arranged to form a figure 8 where its root labeled E to G and 1 for dot point. 7 segment have 2 types, namely the common anode and cathode. And for this circuit I use common anode. In the series there are 5 bits of IC, namely 2 bits of IC 7447, IC 7493, and 2 of the bits of IC 740X. IC 7447 is a BCD to 7 segment decoder useful for powering 7 segment common anode mode. IC 7493 is a IC counter, the counter-up circuit. The IC is charged of counting how many switch button is pressed and the forward to IC 7447. IC 740X is engaged, which when the second input value is 1, then the output is worth 1, but if either or but input is 0, then the output is 0. To counter up circuit, the IC is in charge limit to show the only 7 segment display capable of displaying up to 9 digits for each 7 segment. Next, we will analyze the circuit. Here is a picture of series of counter up with 2 7 segment. IC circuit use the remotely include 2 IC 7493. The first is IC 740X because in 740X can be used for 2 gates and to analog it IC 7447. Several IC 7493 is counter or counters. IC first use the calculate 2 units, and the second to calculate its distance. If the switch press once, it will increase the number in the number, so it will calculate how many times you press the switch. The second is IC 740X in the series server algorithm, or where the recent word appear that maximum number is 9, and if your output of the counter is 10, 1 and 0, then it will go in and raising the second counters EC10 will add the 1 and so on. Next it's a IC 7447. IC is a BCD2 7 segment decoder with server to turn on 7 segment. Thus, the output of the IC 7493 will be forward to the IC 7447 with the use to power the trunk server 7 segment LED and will produce number. After that, we will practice with the original series as follows. In the series, the R2 7 segment to IC 7447, IC 7447, IC 7493, 2 bits and 1 bits, IC 7408, 14 size 313 ohm resistor and one switch. We can approve this when I press the switch one time. The figure will turn into 0, 0, 1. When I press it twice, it will turn into 0, 2 and so on. 0, 2, 0, 2 and so on. Will the figure show in the 90, then it will go forward to the tens. Forward to the tens of IC 74993 and IC will be reserved by IC 7408 which will result in a 7 segment. Numbers at tens will shown until the number 99. $30, $40, $50, $60, $70, $80, in number 99, current 99 figures, it will come back again to 0, 0 and start again from start. 0, 0, 0, 0 and start again from start. A few of my more or less presentation apologies and hopeful useful to us all. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.